Oh yeah? Where is it?
But I gotta get my hardware.
Alright.
You know, I bought one of those tension rods.
Yeah. Okay.
And then they took the fence down there, and I said I want my hardware.
Uh-huh.
They just tore fence down and what
man.
you know, we call poison ivy and everything.
Oh,
rolled it up, and
wow,
then I ended up having to clean it all out and roll it up. Because I was like,
Oh,
that make me do that.
it's hard work.
Yeah, I stretched it all out. Used cutters, cut it all out.
Yeah.
This was a giant mess.
He's just rotting out here. That's what they're going down.
Oh well, they changed the fence, but
Yeah.
the fence actually.
Oh, it was over there.
The fence actually belonged to that doctor's office over there.
Oh, this is
'Cause
their stuff.
They wanted to take it down, so then they're like, "Oh, you can use the parts to it, you know." And because I got damage to my fence
Oh, okay.
from Hurricane Ian, but they didn't clean nothing out of it. I mean, there was so much fine. It
Yeah.
was ridiculous. And then I got that one right there, and it still got my,
Okay.
you know, the things that go around,
Yeah, yeah.
post
The little.
and the
clips
tension bar,
tension
and it's a
bar.
brand new tension bar in there, and another post that I need out.
I'll probably use this on my place. I got a little area about that far I need to do. I'm probably not be by to get it. I got to go to North Carolina on Sunday, so some scrapper will pick it up. Don't worry about it. There's always somebody else.
That's why I figured I better put it out.
Anything metal, some of the scrappers will get it. Yeah,
Okay.
no
All right,
problem.
well, good luck to your trip.
Thank you. Have a good one.